It's Elise with Queen Scorpio Tarot. Make sure you hit this bell button down below and give thumbs up, okay, and subscribe this channel. We work really hard. A single subscribe and like doesn't cost you anything. It's a little act of kindness from your side, love from your side. Love to you all. We work really hard to all the channels, and just give a subscribe. This is the love from your side that we have to work more. Appreciation, okay? This costs nothing. To all of you who don't know who I am, I'm an empath, intuitive, and a tarot reader. I was soon starting another channel. I will upload all the zodiac signs, okay, there. Okay, let's see what Spirit has to say. What Scorpios need to know. High Priestess. Okay, High Priestess. Wheel of Fortune. Justice. Okay, what I'm seeing here is that you were dealing with a Pisces, Libra. Okay, maybe. Okay, King of Pentacles, Nine of Swords, more. Okay, I'm taking from here. The Empress, Hermit, the Fool, Magician, the Devil, and one more Tower. And bottom of the deck is Emperor, Aries energy, male figure taking responsibility. It symbolizes taking responsibility, owning one's own ambition. Okay, it is very action or focused personality. Okay, maybe you are dealing with an Emperor, male personality, and it is really focused and taking responsibility of its own ambitions, very ambitious. Okay, what I'm seeing here, that in the past there was Tower happened, endings. You discovered that your partner is not loyal or faithful to you. You discovered something. This is a critical point. This was the ending in the past of the relationship. Okay, with Hermit, I'm seeing that you maybe you are dealing with a Virgo, or maybe you and your person got completely silent on each other after Tower happened. You both are in no communication. If some of you are communicating, there is little to no communication. Okay, you are just in Hermit mode, learning how to survive. Okay, this was a past. Okay, in solitude they were in solitude we gain wisdom. Okay, the Devil and Magician and the Fool. Fool represents beginnings, and they are not thinking much. It is just a carefree energy of innocence, trust, great awakening. Your person gone awakened. Okay, epiphany, got some epiphany to this connection. They want a beginning. With Fool energy, it shows beginnings. It represents beginnings. Okay, With magician, they are manifesting. Okay, they are manifesting with Mercury energy. Okay, this belongs to first house Mercury. Communication, magician also, they are manifesting a communication is coming towards you, which I am seeing that they need, they want a new beginning with you in this connection, in which tower happened in the past. Okay, you bought this tower, maybe you discovered your partner is not faithful, and you both were in hermit mood. You both completely got silent on each other. Of course, there was no communication, and learning how to survive in that and in solitude, you gain some wisdom. Your person gains some epiphany, and they know what they want, and with full energy, they magician, they are manifesting, okay, a new beginning, manifesting a beginning with you. They think that this is destined connection with the wheel of fortune. They want to expand with you, they want an expansion with you, they want to marry you in their life. Okay, they want the change. They don't want to live in this hermit mode anymore. They want a wheel of fortune to change, to turn into their favor. Okay, they want a destiny miracle happen. They are manifesting the miracle which brought you two together for this beginning in connection, new beginning in this connection. They are desiring you with devil energy. Okay, they are desiring you, maybe you are dealing with a Capricorn. Then they want a persistency now with you. Okay, they are desiring you. They're trying to manipulate your tricks you in a positive way. They wanted you into their life with full, they want a new beginning with you, and with full wheel of fortune, they want to expand their life with you now. Okay, with magician is a problem solving. Okay, okay, and making connections. Physical attraction, maybe they are dealing with their inner demons to come towards you. King of Pentacles. Okay, abundant king. He will maybe your person was money oriented, and more focused on their stability and money in their life. Okay, physical things matter more to them. But now they are desiring you, and with hermit, after this tower happened, they got in hermit mood, solitude, and they got some wisdom, and now they are manifesting a new beginning with you. Okay, they think that you deserve a justice. Okay, they wanted to bring a balance in this, they want a balance in this connection from divine. With 9 of Swords, oh, it was so painful, burdened for you. Maybe the argument happened between you both. It was really painful ending. It was burdened. You both were with the Empress. It is a feminine energy. It's you. Okay, they see you as Empress. Okay, now they are seeing you as an Empress. And High Priestess. Empress is really loving, nurturing queen, knows her values very well. Okay, and High Priestess is also a wisdom. Maybe you are dealing with the Pisces. High Priestess is maybe this is their energy. They gain some inner wisdom. Okay, they have some secrets which they wanted to convey to you. Maybe they are coming towards you to say their truth for with a new manifesting a new beginning with you. Okay, with Magician and Wheel of Fortune, they think that it is a divine connection. With Devil, they find you so attractive and an attraction towards you. They are desiring you. They know that you are loving and you have some worth. You are valuable, and they want to bring a justice in this situation. They were really upset of this tower. Okay, let me clarify 8 more with these cards. Hope it is resonating. Okay, I'm not taking this much, just these. Okay, now I'm taking this. Relationship. Okay, they are manifesting a relationship with you. They want a new beginning in this relation. Independent. In the past they wanted to be independent. Regret. They regret for not telling you the truth. Maybe they were not emotionally as expressive. They were not clear at that time. They are regretting that tower happened. Independence. They wanted to be independent and playfulness in their life. They don't wanted to commit, and they choose their independence over this connection at that time. Now they are manifesting a relationship, a new beginning with full energy. They are manifesting a new beginning in this relationship. Abundance. They see you as abundance. They are also abundant. King. Secret keeper. They were not telling you that they loved you, but they are grief. They are crying over you. Taking one more. They are dreaming that miracle will happen, and they are dreaming of you. Maybe. Okay. Third party. Okay, that's why tower happened. They were not faithful. Maybe they have multiple options. That's why they are regretting that. See, with this regret card here, they are regretting, and now they are in grief. I'm feeling that so much pain, depression your person is going through for keeping a secret from you. Now they are seeing you abundance, loving, nurturing queen. When they were with you, they were feeling abundant, fulfilled emotionally. Wisdom. They gained some wisdom. Now they knew that what they want. They are manifesting with wisdom. They gain wisdom after this third party. Maybe was karmic. After dealing with that, now they are manifesting you again in their life. This third party was karmic. They have to learn so many lessons from them. That's why may God bring them to their life. They got some lessons. Now they are wise. Okay, now they are in. They broke up with the third party, and now they are independent, and they are manifesting a new beginning in a relationship with you. Sexual, desiring. They are really attracted to you. Okay, they are desiring you. They are crying over you. Maybe they are not sleeping overnights. I'm seeing this with grief. What is that? I'm feeling with this grief card, your person's energy. It's really painful. They are really in depression, crying over you, not sleeping at nights. But what can we do? They have to step up and talk to you. Illusions. In the past, they were not clear about that. But now they gain wisdom. This ecstasy. They feel the peak of happiness, joy, which you bring to their life. They don't feel that again excitement. They were stuck in third party. They get rid of, and now they are independent, and they are coming towards you and manifesting a relationship with you, dreaming about you. that one day you both will be together. Okay, hope it's resonate, and hope it's resonate with you all. And if you like it, just subscribe my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you so much for listening and coming. See you soon. Bye. Allah Hafiz.